Good afternoon. My name is Randy Wolken, President and CEO of MACNY, the Manufacturers Association, and the Manufacturers Alliance of New York State. This is my Monday COVID-19 update. The governor held his press conference in the Rochester area today, and he was joined by many members of the local community, as well as Congressman Joe Morelli. The total number of hospitalizations and intubations is down again. The number of new cases is also down to 498 cases on May 10th. The number of cases is now at the level that was seen when the closed-down order was initiated. There were a total of 161 COVID-19 deaths on May 10th. This is the first day with fewer than 200 deaths since March 26th. Of these, 112 were hospital deaths and 49 were from nursing homes. As of yesterday, 21,640 New Yorkers have passed away due to COVID-19. The governor announced that sectors of the economy and select regions of the state will begin to reopen this Friday, May 15th. Regions must meet 7 metrics to reopen. The regions that meet these metrics will be allowed to begin reopening in phases that will continue based on the data collected at each region's control room, which will be run by local officials. The control rooms will be in charge of gauging the public health threat levels as people begin to go back to work. Further reopening or reclosing will be determined based on these public health matrices. You can take a look at these on our website. They're also on the New York Forward and the governor's website. The governor then laid out that there are 3 regions that have met all 7 matrix and will begin reopening. The governor highlighted that Central New York and the North Country have met 6 of the 7. And if these regions can meet the 7th, they'll also begin reopening on the 15th. It was announced who was on these regional control rooms, and I've been selected to be on the regional control room for Central New York. In my role as Regional Economic Development Co-Chair, and in my role as MACNY President, I have the ability to, therefore, be a part of this process for not only just manufacturing, but all industries. We believe, as a region, we'll be able to begin reopening on the 15th as well. Stay tuned to watch as these metrics get both communicated and as they continue to be developed during this week. Starting May 15th, all retail stores will be authorized to do curbside pickup. And as of May 15th, there's also statewide certain sectors opening, such as landscaping and gardening, outdoor and low-risk recreational activities such as tennis, and drive-in movie theaters. The governor's office has published New York Forward, a guide to reopening New York and building back better. You can find that at the links on our website, and you can also find it on the New York State website. The state will begin directing the reopening businesses basically on a matrix of greatest need and safety. Businesses are also expected to demonstrate to the state that they have a plan to reopen safely that addresses employees, physical settings, and processes. The whole idea is to make your workplace as low risk as possible. You'll need a plan in place in order to reopen safely. We need you to do that also to protect the health of not only your employees, but the entire community. The governor did issue Executive Order 202.30. It issues the following directives through June 9th regarding nursing homes and adult care facilities regarding testing, compliance, suspension or loss of operating certifications, financial penalty, and hospital discharges. There's also been updates to New York City executive orders. There's been no update to Empire State Development's guidance, and New York City has some updates as well. It's critically important that you prepare to open your facility or your industry in your specific organization as the weeks proceed. This is a multi-phase process that we have to be successful in each phase so we can proceed to the next. If we get the opportunity to open Friday, which I believe we will begin phase 1. Phase 2 will then follow in 2 weeks. As a part of the regional control room, I'll continue to provide insight to local officials and be a part of the solution to continue to move our community forward towards safe reopening and in keeping our people safe. I'd recommend that you take a significant and meaningful look at keeping people safe as a regimen to help you be ready and to stay diligent in your efforts to keep people safe. New behaviors such as hand washing, social distancing, and the rest of the behaviors require a significant amount of work on all of our part. By being a part of keeping people safe, you'll learn the greatest and latest best practices to do this, and also give your people confidence to come back and stay at work safely. Other businesses will be allowed to open more broadly. I do expect all businesses to have to reply to a set of procedures that you will then receive sometime this week. Even if you're already open, you'll have to go on the website and apply. It'll be a self-certification process, but you'll have to complete it to be in compliance. We'll know more in the coming weeks. We'll have a WebEx, a live WebEx within the next few days to talk more about these specifics so you can be well informed. And it's our job at MACNY to continue to give you the latest and greatest information available to you. This is going to be a busy week for manufacturing and many other industries as we get ready for the reopening of our economy. I know I'm excited and determined to do so safely and to help you do so safely. Please contact our team in any way that you see fit in order to help you accomplish that. That's my update for today. I wish you well. Have a nice evening. Be calm, stay safe, and carry on.